Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be assembling a tripod, reviewing it and unboxing it. So we shall start with the assembling first. So as you can see, it comes in a very nice box, tripod, and once you take out the main component out, there's a black cover which supports the tripod, and there are two parts in there. There is one where the phone is kept, this, and the other main part is the stand. So for assembling it, it is very simple. As usual, just take it and twist it up, and then there will be a small screw which will be right here, and there's a hole in here. So we just have to place this main component in, and then just twist it. It takes 10 to 15 seconds to rotate it. Because it's a very small screw, you just keep rotating, and once you feel that it is tight, like I've rotated it and now I'm feeling it a bit tighter, so now it is all ready. The next part you shall do is, I will just show you, like I'll need a bigger space, so I'm shifting it. As you can see, this is the tripod. Now you will get to see it's so small. So to make the component fully functional, you first, there's a clip, you can see right here, there's 1 2 3, and there are 3 stands on each side. There are 3 clips. So you take out the clip, you clip it out, like, and as you see, there's a long stick which comes out from that clip, another clip, and another clip. You can, and then you just lock it like 1 2 3. So you have to do that for all the slides. Yeah, as you can see, I've done it off camera. So as you can see right now, it is a bit congested. So for making it uncongested, you just take it, and there'll be a small clip. You just put that clip down and you press it until it comes down. You just keep doing it, and as it comes here, it's ready. Then the next part you want to do is where you can see there's a small clip over here, this clip. As you can see, this clip I am pointing here, you just rotate that clip on the right side, and this main tripod part also comes out, and you just put it, make it tight, and it looks like this. As you can see, the tripod is very convenient, as if you are filming on, if you're sitting on a chair also, it would film all of it. The next part you can do in this is just take this and you can even rotate it like this, and you can slide it here, you can slide it here, and you can even slide it back, and you can slide it in front. So this was the tripod. And now for setting your phone, you just see this part and you clip up your phone as you do in selfie sticks and all. As I told you, it was very convenient. It like I've set it up in front of a chair, and you can see it will take the whole chair. As and if you want to shoot it vertically, it can go down and it can shoot more than 90 degrees, go to 100 to 110 degrees behind and forward. And as I've showed you, it can go right and it can go left. So this was a tripod. Now reviewing it, it's a pretty good tripod. The height of it, it's basically on the part, like if you are shooting high things, then you should buy high tripod, but this is good for when you are sitting and shooting, or you are shooting from a low height. As if for kids also, this is pretty good, as kids height is low. But if you even buy a big one, it you have to slant it down for kids, and like it doesn't look pretty convenient. So this is pretty good for a child. And if you are adult, you should buy a big size. There are big sizes also available. As you can see, there are 3 stands there, here and here. And this was the tripod which I bought. Its name is Tripod 3110. It is 3-way head, built-in level, 4-second aluminum legs, quick lever lock. It's a rubber leg tip, quick lever lock, 4-second leg and 3-way pan head. So this was the tripod which I have bought recently. It's pretty good, and in my suggestion, you should buy this tripod if you are a beginner and you are taking it for YouTube videos or for any other things. You should take this tripod. I give this a 4.5 star out of 5 star. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and comment that which other videos should I post. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.